to our channel. Today we are covering Salesforce Certified Platform Developer 2. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, let us know in the comment. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Today's question is, please go through the data. Consider the above trigger intended to assign the count to the manager of the accounts region. Which two changes should a developer make in this trigger to adhere to best practices? Choose two options. Option A. Use a map to cache the results of the region query by ID. Option B. Move the region query to outside the loop. Option C. Remove the last line updating account list as it is not needed. And option D, use a map account map instead of list account list. The correct answer is option A and D. Next question is, an organization has a requirement that the shipping address on the account must be validated by a third-party web service before the account is allowed to be inserted. This validation must happen in real time before the account is inserted into the system. Additionally, the developer wants to prevent the consumption of unnecessary SME statements. What is the optimal way to meet this requirement? Option A. Make a call out to the web service from a custom Visual Force controller. Option B. Make a call out to the web service from a before insert trigger. Option C. Make a call out to the web service from a standard Visual Force controller. And option D. Make a call out to the web service from an after insert trigger. The correct answer is option A. Next question is, which use case is an appropriate fit for the future or synchronous Apex method? Choose two options. Option A. A developer has jobs that need larger query results than regular transactions allow. Option B. A developer has jobs that need larger query results than the regular transactions allow. Option B. A developer needs to segregate DML operations and bypass the mix save DML error. Option C. A developer has long-running jobs with large data volumes that need to be performed in batches. And option D. A developer has long-running methods and needs to prevent delaying an Apex transaction. The correct answer is option B and D. Next question is, which three approaches should a developer implement to obtain the best performance for data retrieval when building a Lightning Web component? Choose three options. Option A. Use whenever possible. Option B. Use the Lightning Data Service. Option C. Use layout types to display a set of fields. Option D. Use lazy load for occasionally accessed data. And option E. Use get record UI to obtain metadata. The correct answer is option A, B and E. Next question is, which two scenarios require an Apex method to be called imperatively from a Lightning Web component? Choose two options. Option A, calling a method that makes a web service call out. Option B, calling a method that is not annotated with catchable true. Option C, calling a method with the click of a button. Option D, calling a method that is external to the main controller for the Lightning Web component. The correct answer is option B and C. Next question is, refer to the code snippet below. A custom object called credit memo C exists in a Salesforce environment as part of a new feature development that retrieves and manipulates this type of record. The developer needs to ensure race conditions are prevented when a set of records are modified within an Apex transaction. In the preceding Apex code, how can the developer alter the query statement to use SOQL features to prevent race conditions within a transaction? The options are, the correct answer is option A. Thank you.